Hello, everyone. Welcome to Stratis Tutorials. Today, I will be demonstrating how to exchange wSTRAX on the Ethereum blockchain to STRAX on the Stratis blockchain using the Stratis Interflux Bridge. Step 1. Obtain a STRAX address. Unlock your STRAX wallet and obtain receive address. Step 2. Access the Interflux Bridge. Go to interflux.stratisplatform.com. Click on Connect to MetaMask. MetaMask will open, then followed by Next and Connect. Once connected, copy the receive address into the Interflux Bridge and the amount of wSTRAX you would like to send, followed by the Transfer wSTRAX to STRAX button. Confirm the MetaMask. Confirmation times on receiving the wSTRAX requires 240 confirmations. Each confirmation is equivalent to 16 seconds. As an example, a transfer of wSTRAX to STRAX will take approximately 65 minutes. Step 3. Validate STRAX Token Balance after confirmations passed. Open the STRAX wallet and you will now see the STRAX balance. Any questions, please leave comments below and follow the official Stratis channel for more and upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye.